Another key item that we knew at the outset of the picket fence should be a key priority for us based on the consumer research was, again, health and wellness and indoor air quality has become increasingly more important to Americans based on what we've learned through the COVID pandemic. And so we set out with this objective, and you've got a myriad options out there in the industry of systems that are possibilities to explore. And one that rose to the top in terms of its effectiveness and simplicity of installing and a proven technology was ActivePure. So when we first discovered the system, we were elated at its documented scientific proven performance, ease of installation, and the ability of the system to not just clean the air inside of the duct, but actually improve the indoor quality and health and wellness throughout the entire home, including the surfaces in your house. So to us, this was, in many respects, almost felt like a revolutionary technology, a simple game changer that would be important to Americans and home buyers in improving their lives. So this was a simple and easy decision on our part to include this technology in this home.